y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little fall haul for y'all. Just a little razzle dazzle. It ain't going to be too much, but I'm just going to be doing a little fall haul of some stuff that I just got. So yeah, stay tuned till you know how you feel. Okay, this is my first outfit. This maroon and gold little ensemble. My maroon one piece and my gold little cardigan here. My second outfit is a one piece actually made by me and another cardigan that I picked up. So cute. Don't know what kind of shoes I'm gonna wear with it, but and the next outfit is actually, I didn't mean to put it together, but the top is a bodysuit, a Nets bodysuit, and these little comfortable joggers that I found. I love comfy clothes, so you know. My next is actually just the tights. I love these tights. I actually have another color that I'm going to show you, but these are some cute tights with some little netting, little fall color. That's why I got them, because they were just giving me fall. Yes. And this is the other color. I'm going to just give you the fall. Like, I just love it. Yes, these jeans, they fit perfect. Like, I was so indecisive about getting these jeans, but I'm glad I did. Click. So glad I got these jeans. They fit perfect, honey. Yes, the gold jeggings. I love jeggings. I pick jeggings any day, but they were just giving me my old alumni West Charlotte High School colors, because you know we are maroon and gold. Yes. Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And thank you to all of my new followers. I see y'all. Thank you for the love and support. So just keep following, subscribing, and sharing my videos, and liking my videos. And I will just keep giving y'all more of this heat. Peace.